Hey everyone, welcome back to Stunning Foods. Today we are making cake rusks. I've mentioned all of the ingredients in the description box below, you can check them out. Take the butter in a bowl and add in the sugar, whisk well. Next add in the eggs one by one, whisk well after each addition. After getting done with the eggs, we'll add in our dry ingredients. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food color. The size of the cake rusks depends upon your preference. Set back in a tray so that we can bake it again. After 10 minutes, we'll take it out and flip the sides. Once you're done, place it back in the oven. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your loved ones. Take care. Bye-bye.